Have you ever thought about growing your own organic vegetables? It's a journey that's not only healthful and cost-effective, but also kind to our environment. Imagine having fresh, healthy, and pesticide-free vegetables right from your backyard. Starting your own organic vegetable garden is simpler than you might think. To get the ball rolling, the first step is to choose the right location. Look for a spot that gets plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day, and has good drainage. Next, you want to prepare the soil. A healthy garden starts with healthy soil. Incorporate organic matter and compost into your soil to enrich it with essential nutrients. This will provide a fertile ground for your plants to grow. Now, let's talk about the fun part, selecting your vegetables. Research is key here. Choose vegetables that thrive in your local climate and are suitable for the season. From juicy tomatoes to crisp lettuce, the possibilities are endless. Moving on to the fourth step, it's time to plant your seeds or seedlings. Follow the instructions on your seed packets or plant labels to ensure you're giving your plants the best start. Finally, the maintenance stage. Regular watering, weeding, and organic pest control are crucial for a thriving garden. Remember, organic gardening is about working with nature, not against it. With these steps, you can start your journey of organic gardening and enjoy the fruits, or rather vegetables, of your labor. Now, it's your turn to take action. Embrace the thrill of nurturing life from a single seed, and enjoy the satisfaction of seeing your organic vegetable garden flourish. Imagine the immense pride you'll feel when you harvest your first homegrown tomato or carrot. The benefits are endless: fresh produce, improved health, and a deeper connection with nature. Remember, every great garden started from a single seed, so go ahead, sow your seeds, and let's grow together. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.